So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at the differences between a MBR partition and a GPT partition. Basically, there are two type of disk partition. First one is MBR, stands for Master Boot Record, and the second one is GPT, which stands for GUID Partition Table. So let's talk about the support first. Basically, MBR supports both legacy and UEFI BIOS mode, while GPT supports only UEFI BIOS mode. So if you have a legacy BIOS, you can only go for MBR. And if you have a UEFI BIOS, you can use both MBR and GPT partition. So now, how you can check your BIOS mode? So to check your BIOS mode, just click on the start button and search for system information. There you will find your BIOS mode. Here, my BIOS mode is UEFI and I am currently using GPT partition style. To check your which partition style you are using, just right click on this PC and click on manage. Here you have to go for disk management. Now you can see I have two disk here, disk 0 and disk 1. Basically this one is my SSD and this is a HDD of 500 GB. To check the partition style, just right click on any of the disk, go to properties, and then here you have to click on volumes. So you can, as you can see, my SSD is running on GPT partition style. And let's check the partition style of my HDD. So again, click on properties, go click on volumes. Here you can see that my HDD is also running on GPT partition. So let's talk about the next difference. The next difference is that MBR is an old technology and GPT is a new technology. And the next one is if you are using a MBR partition style, you can only connect a 2 terabyte hard drive. It is the maximum storage capability of a MBR partition. While with GPT, you can go for 10 zettabytes of storage. And for the comparison purpose, 10 zettabyte is equals to 10 billion terabytes. So here is a big difference between MBR and GPT. So the next difference is of the number of partitions that we can create with MBR and GPT. So the number of partitions we can create in MBR disk is only 4 standard partition, which comprises of 3 primary and 1 extended partition. So and with GPT style, we can go for 128 primary partition. Basically, a primary partition is what which is a bootable partition, and we can easily install any OS or Windows on it. For example, if you go to manage disk management, these all are primary partition. In in any of these partition, I can install operating system, and these all are bootable. So I can make 128 primary partition in GPT style format. Let's let move on the next difference. So the next difference is about privacy. MBR is less secure as it is it supports only legacy it supports legacy BIOS, while GPT is more secure as it supports UEFI BIOS, which also comes with secure boot enabled. So for the privacy purpose, GPT is more stable. And the next difference is of the speed. Of course, MBR is an old technology. It is less faster, while GPT is a new technology. It is much faster than MBR. So the conclusion is this: MBR is still in use in many systems today, but GPT is the future. We should go for GPT. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will covering how to convert an MBR disk to a GPT disk. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.